Visualizing from an iPhone to Mac or iPad with iDocCam via the Nearby feature. If you're using iDocCam on an iPhone with Mac or iPad, you can connect using the Nearby feature. Nearby only works between Apple products. Let's go step by step on how to set it up. First, on your iPhone, open the settings. Make sure Wi-Fi is on, even if you're not connected to a network. Then turn on the Bluetooth. Now launch the App Store and search for iDocCam. Download the app. Launch iDocCam after the download is finished. Now switch on your Mac. Locate System Preferences and make sure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both on. Launch the App Store and search for IPEVO Visualizer. Download and install the app and open it. In Visualizer, select Document Camera and choose iDocCam. Now you're ready to go. You can even connect to multiple devices at the same time. For more information, please visit iPEVO.com.